Here we'll detail the steps to applying RockFloss to the knee. The goal will be to improve flexibility, help with pain management, and improve range of motion. Start right below the knee joint. Be sure you're always wrapping toward the heart. Begin wrapping with 50% overlap of the previous loop and continue to add tension as desired. But do not exceed 50% stretch to avoid numbness or discoloration of the tissue. Finish by tucking in the end. For lower impact relief, lift the knee at a 90-degree angle and alternate pulling in the heel and extending the leg straight for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Alternatively, for higher impact, opt for 45 seconds to 1 minute of air squats. Unwrap RockFloss and supplement with your favorite RockTape kinesiology taping application for best results. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch our other videos for more ways to go stronger, longer at rocktape.com.